So today we caught this golden trout in Petersburg, West Virginia this morning, and now we're just gonna fillet it. So first we're gonna start by lifting this, and then we're gonna cut right here, right here. And this is one fillet of the fish. And after that, we're gonna flip it over. Then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So we're gonna cut right there. Pour fish until we hit the bone, which is right there. Then once we hit the bone, again, we're gonna flip our knife, and then we're gonna cut. Basically, right now I'm just putting above the fish, and then I can make my way back down. I'm just gonna switch from front to do it here. Here we have the other fillet. This one sort of doesn't have as much meat as this one. It has more of the bony parts in it. So that's basically how you fillet a fish, not gutting it. So now we're gonna take these bones out because you don't want to eat the bones. So these are where the bones are, all down here. I'm just gonna put that up there. Cut it right here. So that is all bone. All of that right there is bone. So I'm gonna take that, and then yep, that's basically it. And then this one has some bones right here. And we're just gonna cut there. So once we cut these bones off, just pull it off, and then that's it. And then right there we have two nice fillets of gold trout. And then this is the fish. Here is the final result of all 6 fishes that we caught this morning. On the left side, we have golden trout. On the right side, we have rainbow trout. And my family and I caught this in the morning in West Virginia. And the biggest one we caught was about 15 inches. So that's it.